Hey guys, I'm at today. This video, let me show you the iPhone. This is the iPhone 14, and you can see this is 128 gigabytes. This is LL8. This is the US version. You can see this is LL. This is US version, and you can see the condition is good. iPhone 14, almost almost 4 years or 3 years. This condition is good. This is the US version, and you can see the camera is good. And let me show you the battery. Let me show you the battery. This battery is 100%. 100%. You can see no scratch here. Only a little bit dirty. Here some scratch here. Some scratches here. The camera is okay. Camera function is normal. This price is about 2,100 CNY. 2,100. Okay. Okay. No problem. The function is normal. If you want to buy, you can contact me. This is 100% original machine. Good condition. Also, in this shop, this shop specialized in selling the iPhone 14, iPhone 15, and iPhone 13. And I will share more information about the iPhone. If you want to know more information, you can leave me a comment below. Okay. See you in the next video. This is iPhone 14. Alright, US version. Okay. See you in the next video.